Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to fix price for the crochet work. Before fixing rate for your crochet work, you have to see 5 main things. First one is the material which you are using. You have to consider all the materials which you are using. If you see this travel pillow, we have used yarn and some stuffings. And if you see this duck keychain, we have used 4 different colors of yarn, stuffings. In many other projects, we'll use different stones, eyeball, everything. So what all materials we have used for the project, we have to consider that first. Next will be the time. So how much time you have spent to work your project. So next will be the skill level. So in skill level, you have to see the complexity of the stitches as well as the color of the yarn. If you see the complexity of the stitches, if you are doing simple stitches like double crochet, half double crochet, then it will be easy to do when we are using bigger hook size. Same stitch, if you are using like this way for keychain, we will use a smaller hook size. So the time will consumed for this project will be more. Same way for the color of the yarn, if you're using different light colors, do your work easily. But if you're using dark colors, especially black color for your work, the work time consuming will be more. Next is the overhead cost. So that is while you're selling a product, you have to do some marketing as well as some photography. For that all cost you have to include in your work. Next is the profit. So whilst after selling a product, you have to get some profit. So that you have to cover in work while fixing the price. So these are the 5 things you have to consider before fixing the price of your product. So we should not underestimate your work, your skill as well as your time. So normally if you see for this bigger projects and for simple stitches, what I will do is I will consider the material cost and I'll multiply it into 3. That will be the cost of the product. But for these smaller projects like keychains and very cute product, if you consider the material cost into 3, it will not be enough because the work we are doing and the time spent, it will be more than when we consider for doing the larger projects because we are using small hook as well as we have to do the work so minute than the bigger project. So for this, you have to take the material cost plus the hourly wages. So how many hours you have spent to do this into, you have to fix for 1 hour if it is 100 rupees, and if you have spent time 3 hours, then 3 into 100. So that plus profit. So 3 of them you have to add and you are going to fix the rate for the small and minute parts. So I think you would have understood how we have to fix the cost for the crochet products. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.